name of this piece is High Tide. It is an abstract marsh. It is trying to connect to Boston's historical shoreline. Most of what we now walk on used to be marsh. Due to climate change and sea level rise, there's predictions for different areas of the city to flood again. This piece is about conveying an idea of a shifting shoreline, what it used to be, what it now is, and what it may be in the future. We tend to take our environments for granted. We take the cities for granted. I like my art to help people better connect to the places where we live. I like my art to offer the opportunity to enhance our sensory experience of the world. Our landscape is sometimes built, sometimes it is in cities. Things that we understand at a very small scale and things that are bigger than us. My art tends to appeal to that because it reacts to the environment. This piece, for example, lets us know where the wind is coming from, lets us know where the light is coming from. With High Tide, it's a very attractive, colorful, dynamic piece, but it's also talking about things that are less attractive and are more challenging. So this is art that works at multiple levels, and it appeals to the senses first, and then later leaves us with things to think about.